We will now convert this hexadecimal number 7EC into its decimal form. So first I'm going to put the place value for 3 digits, that is the place value is 16 power 0, 16 power 1 and 16 power 2. And now I write the equivalent of these place values. 16 power 0 is 16 and 16 power 1 is 16 and 16 power 2 is basically 16 times of 16, which is 256. And below that I put the corresponding digits, that is I have 7 in the front, E in the middle and C in the last. So this could be replaced by the corresponding decimal values. 7 basically corresponds to 7 and E corresponds to 14 in decimal. So let me put 14 here, and C corresponds to 12 in decimal. So I put this 12 over here. Now we have to multiply this 256 with 7 and 16 with 14, 16 with 12, and then we have to add them together like this. So we will have 256 multiplied with 7 plus 16 multiplied with 14 plus 16 multiplied with 12, and this gives 256 times of 7 is 1792 plus 16 multiplied with 14 is 224, and 16 multiplied with I'm sorry, this is basically, it's not 16, this is 16 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this is 1, which means this will also be 1. So it is 1 times of 12 is 12. And when we add these three numbers, we get 2028. So this is the decimal equivalent of 7EC in base 16. We will now do the part 2, that is we will expand in terms of powers, in powers of this. So for that I'm going to write down this as 7EC. This is base 16. This is equal to, I put the 7 and then multiply with the place value of the 16. Since this is a third digit, I have to multiply with 16 raised to the power of 2 plus, then I put the place value or the decimal equivalent of E, which is 14. So 14 times of 16 raised to the power of 1, and finally I have C, which is 2 in decimal, 12 in decimal, and the place value of this digit is 16 raised to the power of 0. So this could be written as 7 times of 16 raised to the power of 2 plus 14 times of 16 raised to the power of 1 plus 12 times of 16 raised to the power of 0. So we have written this 7EC in terms of powers.